What's up guys, it's Ben with Srkcycles, and today I've got a 2011 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero. It's a 1700 sitting right here behind me, and we're gonna take a quick walk around this thing. And this thing is pretty cool. We just got this bike in, and you guys are definitely gonna want to see this bike, so let's walk around this bike. So starting here in the back, we've got the rear tire. You can see there, the rear tire is good. Got plenty of tread left on it, a lot of miles. Really, guys, on this bike, there's one imperfection that I would want to point out. It's this. The rest of this bike is super clean, very nice, but it has this like chip slash crack here on the rear fender. You can see there. I want to make sure you can, focus this in. You can see it there. Other than that, this bike is super clean, very nice, low miles. As you can see, it cleaned up really nicely. I literally just wiped it down. That's all I did. I didn't even wash it. I actually was out in the rain for a little bit on Saturday when I got here. There you can see the exhaust. The exhaust is all good. It does have the dual exhaust, as you can see earlier. Here's the side of the bag. It does have the side open bags. You have to have the key to open the bags. That's a drawback, but not a huge one. It does have the luggage rack here, sissy bar, and we'll keep going around the side to the passenger peg. Passenger peg is there. There's your side panel. There's your seat. This is a new seat. The guy put an aftermarket seat on it. I don't have the backrest for it, but as you can see here, it has the spot to go in there. But yeah, this thing is very nice. There you can see the side of the tank. The side of the tank is good. No chips or dents or dings there. Thought that was a mark. I was going to pick it apart, wiped right off with my finger. That's where I'm at on this bike, trying to find stuff to point out. Here you can see the V-Twin 1700 badge on it. Down here you got the Kawasaki. Like I said, you already saw here on the tank, the Vaquero. It does have the floorboards for the rider, big rear brake, crash bars. If you lay this thing over, should keep a lot of it in good shape. Got your throttle, brake, mirrors, all that. You guys know the drill. I mean, you guys know what you're looking at. If you're looking at this bike, you probably know a little bit more about it than I do because you've been shopping for them. I actually have two of these bikes right now. I don't see a lot of these, but they are really nice fixed fairing tour bike. There's a chip right there, my pointer finger, which, I mean, if that's the only thing here on this front fender, that's not bad at all. There's the front tire. It's got a ton of miles left on that thing. Super good tread. There you can see your front brakes. This has the black fork tubes. You can see those there. Jump over to the other side and see those like that. There is the brakes on this side. It does have the black wheels in there. Black wheels give it a really nice look. It really sets off nicely against the red. There's your turn signals, headlight, front fairing. Yeah, so let's jump over to the other side. There's the tank on this side. Again, no marks on this tank, which is really nice, really good looking. I really like this color red. There's the V-Twin 1700. It is 6-speed. Give you that extra gear for on the highway. And it is belt driven. There's your floorboard. You got your toe shifter, your heel shifter. I'm a big fan of the heel shifter. Again, there's your crash bars. We saw them on the other side. There's your side panel. I mean, no marks. No marks on the side panel at all, which is awesome. There is the passenger peg. Again, here are these bags. Same as the other side. There is a mark on this bag. Right there, my pointer finger, you can kind of see it. Looks like it just like rubbed up against something. It's got a little bit of a rough texture to it, but it's not like a gnarly chip or anything like that. Again, we mentioned the sissy bar earlier, and the seat, the passenger seat and the rider seat is one piece. It's got the strap there. This is a very comfortable seat. I mean, I think a passenger would love sitting up on here, and this rider seat is also very comfortable. Coming up over the top of the tank, see your gas cap. There's your ignition, handlebars, mirrors, clutch lever. There you can see all your controls. Coming across here to this side, your throttle, brake, again, all your controls there. There's your mirror. This like retro dash is super cool looking. I'm gonna turn this thing on so you guys can just see what this looks like when it comes to life. You get like the red numbers in here on the speedo, giving it that like that old car look. But still got the digital dash. 2,600 miles, guys. 2,688. There'll be a few more after Sean does his test drive. Do not miss out on the test drive of this bike. It will be up on YouTube. Let's fire this thing up. Right to life. There you go. It does have aftermarket pipes on it. The guy that brought into us was telling us about all the stuff that he had done. I believe he even got it remapped. So that is good to go. Let's check these turn signals out. There's your rear signal there. And your rear signal there. You can see it up there on the dash. Let's change it over here. Oops, sorry. There's your front signal there. Just gonna do that, and there's your front signal there. So there you go, guys. It is a 2011 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero. It is the 1700cc motor. Do not miss out on this bike. This thing is not gonna last long. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys later.